be talking about the recent axle change that we did on Teal Ox. We upgraded from the stock Mopar axles to Chromoly axles from Yukon Gear and Axle. Here you can see Ron Davis from Red Scorpion Fabworks and Offroad assembling the axles from Yukon. In Yukon's case, the axles come unassembled. There are some other vendors that may come fully assembled and just ready to install. After pressing the ABS ring into place, you had to tap the dust shields into place. Next comes the seal and the seal retainer. It's important to use some axle grease and to be careful when you're putting the seal into place to keep from tearing or damaging the seal. That's followed by the bearing, which is also pressed into place. Ron is really using some hyperdrive here. The Yukon axles use a 4340 Chromoly alloy, which is about 1.5 times stronger than the OEM axles. This should help reduce the chances of breaking an axle or spinning the splines in the future. As with most things, the second one went much faster. It's important to take note when you're installing the lug studs to make sure that you're using the correct holes. The flanges are pre-drilled for both a 5x5 and 5x5.5 lug pattern. Here you can see Ron has already removed the brake caliper, and now he's going to remove the rotor, followed by taking the bolts off of the bearing flange and pulling the axle. The stock axle has been removed, and now he's inserting the new Chromoly axle into the housing. It's important to, when you're doing this, to lift up slightly on the end that goes into the differential to make sure that it aligns with the splines as well as clearing the inner seal. This shot, you can see how the axles in Teal Ox were beginning to twist a little bit. This can be from bouncing, from getting wedged against a rock, or some other thing that just puts a lot of torque on the axle. Here you can see the stock axle on the left and the Chromoly axle on the right. Note the precision machining on the Chromoly axle. We hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if you want to see other install videos like this. And make sure to check out Red Scorpion Fabworks and Offroad in Tampa. Ron Davis is a great guy and does outstanding work. They also have a shop in Tennessee. You can't go wrong with either one of them.